Does the thought of remodeling your home keep you up at night? It doesn't have to. Hi, I'm Jeremy with Phoenix Home Remodeling, and we understand the stress that comes from remodeling. Timelines, schedules, fear of delays, but we are here to solve that. Imagine a remodeling process where you feel completely in control. Homeowners love how we work. Communication is the cornerstone of our process. Constant updates, direct access to your project manager, and a shared commitment to excellence mean you're always in the loop. We break down every phase of the project, ensuring you know exactly what to expect. You deserve to keep living your life during a remodel. That's why we adapt to your schedule, ensuring minimal disruptions so you can still enjoy your home as we transform it. With Phoenix Home Remodeling, you can trust that your project will be completed on time every time. We know your time is important, and we treat it that way. And we're committed to delivering results you'll love. Ready to transform your home without the stress? If you'd like to take the next step, schedule a consultation with our remodel expert. There's no obligation, no sales, just help. You can easily schedule your complimentary consultation right from our website, or you can text or call us at 602-492-8205.